Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool vocal instrument thing in Ableton Live using Sampler. It's super fun, it's really easy, and let's just get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is own Ableton and open it. Let's create a new sampler layer by dragging the sampler instrument into a MIDI track. And now as you can see, sampler, MIDI, that's all set. Press tab to go in and out of, session view here. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to arm track 3 for the record. Set to auto. I can hear myself. Let's sing a note. Let's sing a note. Shall we? Ooh. 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 Is it good? I don't know if it's good. I guess it's good. Let's go into the sampler. Drag and drop that audio into the sampler. And let's trim it. Let's trim it to midway in. Go under filter global. Raise the attack. Lower the decay slightly. Increase the release. Let's raise the sustain. And now what we're going to want to do is add a compressor, because you add compressors to everything in Ableton. Compress that. Let's go negative 17.9, and ratio, let's crank that up to 4. Sustain mode in sampler, you're going to change that to this little feedback loop, and you're going to want to set these sliders here, loop start, loop end, to these middle sections. You're going to end the sample right here. And then you're going to go under crossfade. We're going to heavily crossfade right now. And just tweak it like that. It's very seamless. Let's go up an octave. Alright, there we go. Now we can put any sounds in here. We can re-record. We can go... And then you make techno. And you add sidechain. So an octave higher. The reverb just turns into strings pretty much.